Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'll be showing you guys my updated makeup routine. I recently did a video on my makeup routine, but since then I've updated a lot of stuff, so I'm going to show you guys that today. As you guys could see, I already did my brows off camera. Just because I haven't really changed anything about my brow routine, I have a video up on how I get them done, so you guys could watch that if you guys are interested. So yeah, let's get started. As you guys can see, I already clipped my hair from out of my face because I don't want, the product get in my hair. So yeah, let's get started. First thing that I do, I give my face a nice spritz with this hydrating toner. I'm going to moisturize my face using a Pond's. I'm gonna go ahead with the CoverGirl concealer. So you guys could see the placement of the concealer. I also go ahead and put some on my forehead, my nose, above my lips, and on my chin. This concealer have like an orange undertone, which is kind of good, but at the same time I like having my highlights a little bit lighter than me. So I'm going to go ahead with the LA Girl Pro concealer in the shade Fawn. I'm just gonna put some in the inner corners right here. You guys can see how light that is. It's actually lighter than the first concealer. I just like to put some just right here. And next thing that I've been doing lately is I've been using a darker foundation as a contour. Just to get it a little bit more sheer, I just add some moisturizer in it. And not so, matte. So now I'm just going to place the contour there on my forehead. I'm just gonna blend out everything. I'm gonna start with the highlight first on my forehead. So after I'm finished blending, I'm gonna go ahead with the It Cosmetic CC cream. I'm going to use, this is a sample from an order that I made on Sephora. I got it as a gift, so I just make use of it. I just add a small amount to my inner corner, just a small, just right there, literally right there, just to brighten up things a little bit. And you guys could see the difference, like so. Okay, so after doing that, I'm gonna go ahead with some foundation, and I'm using the Wet n Wild foundation in the shade Espresso. I'm just going to apply a little bit because I already have coverage on most of my face, but I'm just gonna use this to, like, everywhere that I did not apply product, I'm gonna put it there, and a little bit over the product that I did apply. Okay, so after I'm finished blending, I'm gonna set my face with the Jane Iredale setting powder. This is in the shade Amber. Guys, I know my face is looking kind of like, but don't worry, I'll fix that right now. So I'm gonna go ahead with the Maybelline Fit Me powder foundation. See, I'm going to do a nose contour, a slight nose contour. I use the same powder to give myself a nice little contour. Something slight, not too much. I haven't done this in a while, to be honest, but I feel like I need to do a little more, you know, something to the face. To do this, I'm using the Black Opal powder. This is in the shade Basil Nut. Yeah, it's in the shade Basil Nut. You guys could literally see how my face has already looked like, you know. So I'm gonna do the same thing for the next side. I just draw a line under the contour, and then I just literally pull it down. So because I want my face to look a little bit more fruitful, I'm gonna go ahead with the NYX blush. You guys know I always use this. This is my favorite blush. I'm just gonna apply some to my cheekbones. And then I'm just gonna diffuse it a little bit. Just blend it out a little bit, because I don't want it to look so... You understand? Like, my explanation are the worst, but you guys understand. Okay, so for the eyes, I don't really want to do much, but I still want something to the eyes, so I'm going to go ahead with the Morphe palette. This is in the shade 35O. I'm going to take a nice brown shade. Guys, don't worry about the cover, like I literally broke the cover. I'm going to take that shade, and I'm going to blend it in my crease, making sure that I blend it pretty good, because this is the only eyeshadow that I'm going to use in the crease. So because I want a lid color, like a natural looking lid color, I'm gonna go ahead with this NYX glitter primer, and I'm using it as a base for the eyeshadow. So I'm gonna use a little bit. I'm going to put it on my eyelids, and I'm gonna apply a very natural looking eyeshadow. Go ahead with this shade right here. On camera it kind of look white, but it's like a nude color, and I'm just going to pack it on my eyelid. Okay, I like using that. I'm going to do the same thing for the next eye. Very simple, 2 eyeshadows, very easy, nothing to worry about if you don't really know much about makeup. Yeah, so now I'm going to brush away, or blend away I should say, the reverse contour. Normally I would have like hurry up and take it off, because it, as I say, it could end up with a harsh line, but yeah, I just let it set today. I let it set today instead of brushing it off one time. So I'm just gonna go ahead. So I'm using the foundation brush with no added product, and I'm just going to blend it out. And I'm using the same toner that I used in the beginning. Just gonna press the product in my face. Mascara. Okay, so now it's time for lashes, and the lashes that we'll be using today is Sweet Lashes by Sugar Coated. This is in the shade Candy Cocaine. You guys could see it. Look. The next one goes by the name Sugar Baby. This is what it's looking like. Just to give the look a bit more oomph, I'm going to use Candy Cocaine today. When I'm doing the next natural look, I'll be using Sugar Baby. I always buy lashes from her. I'm in love with her lashes. They are so affordable and so pretty, I must say. They're so soft. The lash band isn't hard on your lashes. Like, you know, sometimes, like, I'm a makeup artist. I've been through lashes. Some lashes does be sticking it in your eye. The lash band is so heavy, thick, and all of them things. You don't experience that with her lashes. Like, these lashes are bomb. Okay, so now that we're finished with the lashes, I just want them to dry properly on my eyes before clamping them together. I've been seeing this trend on TikTok where everybody uses eyeshadow as a lip liner. That's what we're gonna do today. I mean, I've actually tried it already, but I will be doing it on camera for you guys. We use a dark eyeshadow or a dark brown or something like that as a lip liner. I use a dark brown shade from the Morphe 35O palette. I'm going to add a bit of pink. It's a two, but I went over. I'm just going to let that dry. In the meantime, let me just fix on my hair a little bit. So I decided to add more lip gloss, more of like a champagne tone lip gloss. This is what it looks like. Okay guys, so this is basically it for the look, guys. Make sure to comment down below and let me know if you guys learned anything new. Make sure to subscribe, guys. I'm on my way to 2,000 subscribers and I'm doing a good job so far, but just make sure to subscribe and share with a friend, share with a brother, share with a sister, share with a cousin, share with your auntie, your mother, your father, anybody. Just make sure to say and subscribe to my channel. And we have a lot more new and exciting content on the way, so make sure you guys are subscribed and the notification bell is on so you guys could stay tuned for that. But yeah, let me know what you guys think, and until next time, I'll see you guys in my next upload.